Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're putting a fiery twist on a classic favorite. We're heading outside of the smoker for a flavor explosion that'll ignite your taste buds. We're calling this one stuffed ghost peppers. Let's go. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a frying pan at medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. For some fiery kick and amazing flavor, we're going to add 1 ounce of our El Yucateco Habanero and Ghost sauce. Next, salt and pepper to taste, and give it a good stir to get those ingredients combined. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, and 14 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes. Mix all that well to combine all those beautiful flavors together. Then simmer it for just a few minutes, add 1 cup of cooked rice, stir, cover, and remove it from the heat. The next step is to just grab a baking pan, spray it with some nonstick, and coat the bottom with some tomato sauce or your favorite pasta sauce. Now add your peppers with the tops and insides removed, and stuff each one all the way to the top. Now a little more tomato sauce on top, and then cover them generously with your favorite shredded cheese. These are now ready for the smoker. We're using a pellet smoker for today's cook, but whatever you use, just preheat it to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get your peppers on, close the lid, and allow them to absorb some beautiful smoke flavor. About an hour later, or as soon as your peppers are tender to your liking, they're ready to be removed from the cooker and served up to your hungry guests. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. We'll see you on the next one.